let's take a few minutes here. I got everything I think you need. I did buy extra fuel line tubing. Wasn't sure the size, so I'll figure the cost as far as how much of it is going to be needed. I can't really see them that well, but these fuel lines here, and that one I can tell you is already bad. And then of course, starter fluid. There's probably enough here to do 100 weed eaters and lawn mowers. Don't even know if I'll need this, but I was almost out, so I got a can. And then of course your carbon choke cleaner, just an old pan to put the carburetor in pieces and clean all that. And then a towel so I don't lose any of the parts and stuff. Stabilizer, or not stabilizer, two-cycle oil, because it is a two-cycle motor. And of course I pre-mixed it here and marked it weed eater only. This little thing, I'm not sure if I'll need it, but it's called a mechanical pickup arm, because inside the fuel tank is where the filter's at. I'm not going to be able to get my fingers in there, so I'll probably have to use that tool. But I'm almost ready to get going, and I'll get back with you once I get started. Take it easy.